Hello friends, welcome to our channel Deal with Smart Learning. In this video, we are going to see about the free online training platform which is named as Educba. In this online training, they offers many courses with a certification. There are also many fields such as data science, machine learning, networking, etc., which is covered in Educba. They also provide free tutorial which contains scripts, but in this script there is no certification. They also offer paid courses in a bundle and also in individual also. One of the main advantage in these courses is there is no exercises and quizzes. So you have to watch all the videos in this course to get the complete knowledge of this course. At the end of this video, I will show a sample certificate which I got in after completion of this course. If you skip the video, you can't get the knowledge. And another main thing is you can't do multiple courses by using the same account. So you have to use different account for different courses. But also there is another way to use the same account in multiple courses by deleting that particular account and also reusing it in another courses by enrolling it in. If you like this video, like and share this video to your friends. If you want further interesting videos, please leave it on the comment section. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel Deal with Smart Learning, and also remember to click on the bell icon to get the regular videos of our channel. Today in this Educba platform, we are going to see one new interesting course. Let's move on to this video.